Hey guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I prepare my fruits to make my Jamaican black cake or Christmas cake. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell. Remember to go ahead and follow me over on Facebook, and remember to follow me also on Instagram. On Facebook, it's Kali J's Kitchen, and also on Instagram, it's Kali Kitchen _1. So what we're going to do, because time is up on me, I'm going to go ahead and stew my fruits. Alright, so I'm going to go in and add my fruit wine and allow that to come to a boil. So while that is on the stove, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to wash my prunes and also my raisins. Alright, so you always want to wash your prune and your raisin, and if you're going to use currant, you always want to wash that. So now that it starts to boil, I'm going to go in and I'm going to add my raisins, and basically I'm using 1.5 pound of raisin. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in and I'm going to add the prunes. And guys, prunes is a little bit bigger than the raisins, alright? You can always go ahead and add currant if you have currant at home. And then I'm going to go in and I'm going to add my cherries. And you don't have to wash the cherries because the cherries would have already come in a tight lid containers. And once I'm finished doing that, I'm going to go ahead and combine everything together. And once I'm finished combining, I'm going to allow it to just go ahead and stew. And then once it's finished, I'm going to take it off the stove and cover it and allow it to cool down. For me, I love to leave it for roughly about 2 days before I blend it. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to leave it for 2 days and come back and show you guys what it looks like. Alright, after the 2 days. Alright guys, so this is what my fruits looks like, sorry, after 2 days. And trust me, the flavor coming up, smells so good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and blend now. And guys, you want to always ensure that you blend your fruits until they are smooth. For me, I didn't get it so smooth today because you know we're not perfect. But I'm gonna go when it's time to go ahead and make my cake. I'm gonna go ahead and blend it up in some more fruit wine and show you guys how smooth it is. Guys, listen, the flavor, because I left it for 2 days, listen, this thing is rich. Smells so good. So now I'm going to go ahead and cover it and blend it. And it might take a little time to blend, so you have to monitor it, alright? And you always want to go ahead and add fruit wine to it before you start blending. Make sure you add liquids, alright? So I'm going to go ahead and blend. Then I'm going to come back and show you guys what it looks like after I finish blending. And as I said earlier, when it's time to make the fruit cake, I'm going to go ahead and blend it some more. Alright guys, so this is what my blended fruits look like. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and pour it out in a container, and you always want to pour it out in a container that can be sealed. Alright, because you don't want to lose all of that flavor. So make sure you use a container that is sealed or tight lid. So I'm gonna blend up the rest of it, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the final product. Alright. So this is the final product of my blended fruits, how I prepared for my Christmas cake, my Jamaican black cake. So as I said earlier, I'm gonna go ahead and seal this up and just place it to the side until it's time to make my black cake. Alright, I hope you guys enjoy this small video.